This is CBC News. This is CBC News. A new virus has been discovered in the province of Quebec. All people living in Quebec are advised to not get out of it. This is not a test, this is the alert ready system serving the Quebec area. An emergency is in progress due to a virus outbreak in the Quebec province. All people living in Quebec advised to wash their hands and wear a mask. If this virus spreads to all of Canada, a national alert may be issued. The virus spreads airborne and by contact with an infected person. Symptoms are coughing, vomiting, fever, dizziness, diarrhea. If you have these symptoms, call 911 immediately. Ceci n'est pas un test, c'est le système en alerte qui dessert la région de Québec. Une urgence est en cours en raison d'une épidémie de virus dans la province de Québec. Il est conseillé à toutes les personnes vivant au Québec de se laver les mains et de porter un masque. Si ce virus se propage à tout le Canada, une alerte nationale peut être émise. Le virus se propage par voie aérienne et par contact avec une personne infectée. Les symptômes sont la toux, les vomissements, la fièvre, les étourdissements et la diarrhée. Si vous présentez ces symptômes, appelez immédiatement le 911.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have issued a contagious disease warning for the following areas/counties, Maine. This is not a test. The Centers and Disease Control and Prevention have deaded 3,000 cases of the CA-29 virus on the United States. All citizens of the area that's receiving this message shelter in place immediately. Stop the spread of the CA-29 virus, it is deadly. Wash your hands with soap and water. Use a mask when going outside. If one of family members has CA-29, call 911 immediately.
This is not a test. A national emergency is in progress. I repeat, this is not a test. A national emergency is in progress. The virus has spread to all of Canada. All remaining citizens are advised to do the following: wash your hands with soap, putting a mask on, and not going outside. Outside is dangerous because the virus spreads through air. All airports have been closed and borders have been closed. This may be the last activation of the alert ready system. We will not return to normal programming operations until this emergency is over. Please stay tuned to this channel for critical information.
Ce n'est pas un test, une urgence nationale est en cours. Je le répète, ce n'est pas un test, une urgence nationale est en cours. Le virus s'est propagé à tout le Canada. Il est conseillé à tous les citoyens restants de faire ce qui suit: se laver les mains avec du savon, mettre un masque et ne pas sortir. L'extérieur est dangereux car le virus se propage par l'air. Tous les aéroports ont été fermés et les frontières ont été fermées. Il s'agit peut-être de la dernière activation du système Alert Ready. Nous ne reviendrons pas aux opérations de programmation normale tant que cette urgence ne sera pas terminée. Veuillez rester à l'écoute de cette chaîne pour obtenir des informations critiques.
これは検査ではありません。現在、プラキシアウイルス、またはその別名 CA-29 と呼ばれているウイルスは日本に蔓延しています。すべての国民は生き残るために、次の指示に従うことをお勧めします。石鹸と水で手を洗いマスクを着用し、外に出ないでください。家族の誰かがプラクソウイルスの症状を示している場合は、すぐに病院に電話してください。
This is not a test. The now called Plaxovirus, or by its other name CA-29, has spread to Japan. All citizens are advised to follow the following instructions to survive. Wash your hands with soap and water, put a mask on, and do not go outside. If one of your family members has the symptoms of the Plaxovirus, call a hospital immediately.
경고. CA-29 바이러스가 우리나라에서 발견되었습니다. 생존하려면 다음 단계를 따르십시오. 숲으로 손을 씻고 마스크를 착용하십시오. 아는 사람이 CA-29 증상을 겪고 있다면 즉시 병원에 연락하세요. 밖에 나가지 마세요. 지금 밖에 나가는 것은 바이러스가 공기를 통해 퍼지기 때문에 위험합니다. 지금 모든 공기 유입을 차단하세요. 너의 안전을 위해.
Warning! The CA-29 virus has been discovered in our country. Follow these steps to survive. Wash your hands with soap and wear a mask. If someone you know is experiencing symptoms of CA-29, contact the hospital immediately. Do not go outside. Going outside now is dangerous because the virus spreads by air. Block all air entrances now. For your safety. Warning! The CA-29 virus has been discovered in our country. Follow these steps to survive. Wash your hands with soap and wear a mask. If someone you know is experiencing symptoms of CA-29, contact the hospital immediately. Do not go outside. Going outside now is dangerous because the virus spreads by air. Block all air.
We apologize for the interruption in the program. We will try to return to normal programming as soon as possible. A emergency broadcast will follow. This is not a test. The CA-29 virus has been detected in London and is rapidly spreading. Follow the following instructions to increase your chances of survival. Wash your hands with soap and water. Put a mask on when going outside. If you see a person presenting symptoms of CA-29, call 911 immediately. This was an emergency broadcast from BBC Television in London. We will return to normal programming.
This is a message from the EU. Please hear the following. The CA-29 virus or Plaxovirus has spread to all of the world and we haven't found a vaccine yet. We are trying to contain the virus as hard we can. Various nations' leaders have collapsed. We still recommend that you go outside with a face mask and that you wash your hands with soap. This message will repeat in the country's language. If you are on a language-only channel, please change to the normal channel.
Peringatan penyakit menular. Peringatan penyakit menular. Peringatan penyakit menular telah dikeluarkan untuk Indonesia. Semua orang yang tinggal di Indonesia disarankan untuk mencuci tangan dengan sabun dan air dan pergi keluar dengan masker wajah. Jika salah satu anggota keluarga Anda menunjukkan gejala CA-29, segera hubungi rumah sakit.
A contagious disease warning has been issued for Indonesia. All people living in Indonesia are advised to wash your hands with soap and water and go outside with a face mask. If one of your family members presents symptoms of CA-29, call a hospital immediately.
Welcome to New York Weather Channel, serving the state of New York since 1990. Today's weather news are the following.
The United States government has issued an emergency action notification for the whole United States. This is not a test the CA-29 virus or the Plaxovirus has spread to all of the United States. You must take the following actions to ensure your survival. Wash your hands, both soap and water. When going outside, wear a mask. The government collapsing is very possible due to the virus. Normal programming will be suspended until the end of this emergency.